Hey, it's Claire. Welcome to Needle Say More. I just want to go through some troubleshooting if your machine's not working and just talk about threads. So most of the time when people have trouble with their machines, it's because they're using thread like this. Now, it's really cheap to buy thread like this, but this is what they call tacking cotton. So it's fine for doing hand sewing projects, but if you use this in your machine, if you look, it's just not suitable for a machine. It's more for hand sewing, and you look at it and you think, wow, you get a big roll of this and it's really cheap, much cheaper than buying the smaller ones, but it's gonna get stuck in your machine and it's not going to be suitable. The next thing is when people start sewing, they go and buy these sets and it's got maybe 20 different colours in, 20 different bobbins, and they come on these little cardboard tubes. And when you put these on your spool pin, because you can see here, they can get squashed a bit and distorted. Most threads come on a plastic spool, and as they're turning, they're not feeding correctly. They kind of get jammed a bit and they'll end up getting stuck in your machine and jamming. So I would recommend one that has a nice plastic spool. So this is a Coats Moon thread. That's got a nice hard plastic spool. You can see I've got it here in navy, and that's really rigid, and then it's going to keep the inside of the spool moving really smoothly on your machine. And then the Gutterman ones are really good as well, but my one tip for this would be if you take the sticker off the top, because a lot of time people have problems with their machine jamming up here, and it's because the little sticker on the top, when they've pushed it on the spool pin, it's got all caught around the spool pin here. They've put the disc on and it's just jamming and it's not letting the spool move correctly. So they would be my top tips for threads. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments.